Hi babes and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different. So I got this video idea from my sissy poo, well, my older sister in my head, Cindy. You all know her. She has her channel See the Diva E, and she's also the CEO and founder of the hair care brand See the Diva Petite Body Shop. You all know I rave about her, everything to know about her. You all most likely know. If not, I'm gonna leave her website and her YouTube link right down in the description box, so you can go and check her out. So she messaged me like a while ago. This was like maybe 2 months ago, and she sent me a video entitled "Black Girl Tries Scott Band's Makeup Techniques," and I was like, okay, I see what you're getting at. And she was like, you should try it. And I honestly procrastinated so much on this video, and today I was like, okay Gabrielle, I need to film, so let's do something. And I remembered she told me about it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Black Girl Tries Scott Band's makeup tutorial. So basically, if you don't know who Scott Bands is, he is a world-renowned makeup artist. He has his own makeup line as well as accessory line. He has done makeup for J-Lo, Beyonce, Gwen Stefani, and the list goes on. His portfolio is super long and big. If you'd like to read up some more on him, I will also have a link down below on right into this video. So the first thing he says, he doesn't use primer, so we're gonna be barefaced under all this makeup. And he goes in with a highlighter shade first. So let's do that. Yeah, so that's what he starts with first. Then he takes a foundation brush, a flat foundation brush. I have this one. And he buffs it out. Look at how I am looking. I look crazy. Oh my god. This is interesting. Did he even blend out like? Yeah. Alright, there we go. And he contours. So he does under hair, hair, then your nose. Yeah, so that's that. Oh my god, he put on so much makeup. Like, is all of this supposed to be on your face? Okay. Good job. I look like a whole clone. Wait, sis. Gabriel, why you doing yourself this? Okay, so then he goes in with foundation. Or like a whole clone. Let's see what I go on. Right? So, wow, Gabriel, it's looking like you're doing pop, but let's see. Okay. I think I see where this is going, y'all. Alright. Okay, we don't look like mad people anymore. Alright, okay, let's see what goes on now.
No, we're not. But this is probably your first customer.
That's
I
so
thought like this way back in the day.
And then he takes like a separate one and just like, I guess blend everything together. Oh, look at that nose. Snatch, sis, a snatch. And he basically just blended everybody together, which is what basically was done here. This looks really, really good though. Like, and even fronting. This is really, really nice. Okay, so let's powder. Oh, I'm using Sacha Buttercup powder. So you know, powder up and stuffies. Yeah. And then he used blush. Blushes because I just wrap that. So yeah, this blush is so brush. I mean, with brush basically. It's really, really nice. Okay, and now they do powder contour. I guess that's what he did before. Good job. Why am I putting myself? I did that, baby. Okay. So we toasty up our edges here as we snatch the bare bone. Ooh, toasty as frick. Okay, so he lined her lips and then went with lip gloss. Okay, now what? Face actually looks really, really nice. Let me see what else he does. I was on my eyebrows, sis. Like,
Is this secret sauce or is this the secret sauce? I can't show this because see it on my face first. When is
okay, so in the brows we go. I do not. All I have are pencils though. Okay, so there's a first thing because I always do like my brows first, so I need to like not mess this shit up because as you all could see, like the face already do, so it's like I can't really like undo this ish. So yeah, we're gonna have some minimalistic brows. Auntie Gabby ain't going to be going ham like she usually does. Okay, this is how these brows had a look, right? Because you know we had to do them before, you know. I mean after, yeah. Put it onto the eyes. So basically, what you do is a dark brown into like a shimmer. So that's what we're gonna do too. Dark brown. Okay, guys. So I just went off camera and I did my eyeshadow, something really quick and simple, and my lashes and wing eyeliner and all of that. Because this video is already really long, you know, you all have seen me do eyeshadow before, so I just didn't bother to put it in. Now, my final thoughts on his technique. I am in love with his foundation technique. Like, I can see a difference from what I was doing before to what I just did. This looks so nice and airbrushed. Like, yo. Like, I can literally see a difference in my skin, and it's super lightweight. Like, even though it felt as though I was putting on like a bunch of product, like it just looks so nice and natural and like glowy, and everything just looks really nice. So I love his face technique, the way he does his foundation, highlight, contour. I am going to be using it from now on. Don't know why I never saw this video before. Thanks, Cindy, for bringing it to my attention. I really love how my skin looks. Like, it just looks really nice and like airbrushed. I love it. My only problem is I honestly don't like doing eyebrows and eyeshadow after foundation because it just leaves room for zero mistakes. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do my eyebrows and eyeshadow and lashes, everything before, and then do his foundation technique. Y'all, if y'all could try it, like honestly do. I just love, like I can't get over how my skin looks. Like it just looks so pretty. Like prettier than usual. Alright, so the verdict is this is like a super bomb technique. I would recommend that you try it. I would link Tati's video down below in my description box for you all to see and maybe follow along as well, or you could just follow along with me. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.